In this video, we will walk you through a complete security check to ensure your Android phone is protected. Android security operates in 3 distinct layers: the device level, the app level, and the cloud level. Understanding these allows you to secure your phone properly. At the device level, prioritize a strong, unique screen lock and ensure Google Play Protect is enabled to automatically scan for and remove harmful applications. Conduct an app permission audit. Review which applications have access to your location, microphone, or camera, and deny any requests that aren't necessary for the app to function. Be especially vigilant with highly sensitive data. Restrict access to your contacts, SMS, and phone logs, ensuring only trusted apps have these permissions. Secure your device's danger zones. Keep the Install Unknown Apps feature disabled, and regularly investigate which apps have accessibility service permissions. Check your device admin apps and VPN configurations. Investigate any unfamiliar administrator tools or connections, and remove them if you find them suspicious. Your phone's security is tied to your account. Regularly review signed-in devices, sign out of old ones, and enable 2-step verification for enhanced cloud security. Deleting an app doesn't always revoke its cloud access. Manually review third-party connections in your Google account settings and revoke access for services you no longer use. Keep your phone safe by checking both Android security patches and Google Play system updates. These updates are essential for fixing security vulnerabilities. Unexpected battery drain or mobile data spikes can be signs of malicious activity. Inspect your usage statistics and investigate any unknown apps consuming high resources. Watch for a combination of symptoms like overheating, browser redirects, or unusual settings changes. Multiple issues appearing at once may indicate a security threat. Be aware of fake antivirus traps. Remember, websites cannot scan your phone's hardware. Ignore alarming pop-ups and avoid downloading cleaners from your browser. Follow this 5-minute master check. Run a Play Protect scan, fix security alerts, audit permissions, disable Install Unknown Apps, and review your account's signed-in devices. By understanding these system layers and staying proactive, you can maintain total control over your Android device and reduce your daily security risks.